as well as the listeners and the people who are viewing this channel. Welcome to the fifth letter of the English alphabet. And as A, being a vowel, has got two sounds, the sh and the long. Similarly, E or E has got two sounds, the long vowel sound and the short vowel sound. That we'll be doing in the next lesson. At present, we are into learning about that is the letter E. So, is it clear? This is an Easter egg denoting the egg. Egg. Now, the letter E represents what is the sound? It represents the sound. Sound. Is it clear to each one of you? Now we should know how to make the sound, how much of the mouth to open and how much it should be closed. To make the sound, open your mouth slightly, okay? And keep your tongue low and relaxed in the middle of your mouth. I hope all of you are doing it. Please keep a hand mirror in front of you so that you know exactly what you are doing. So you are keeping your tongue low and relaxed. Okay? Open your mouth slightly. Put your tongue up and now say the sound eh. Just see eh. You can stretch out the E sound like we did with the A sound. This is for egg. Please, I would request the elders of the family or the teachers to kindly make the children do this. Now, word example, say the word edge. Edge. Slowly and listen to the sound of the letter E. Edge. 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 Okay. For A, you have opened your mouth wide, it's air. And this is edge. Edge. Okay, at the beginning, and D is silent here. Now, practice saying edge, egg, eggplant, elephant. And notice how your mouth feels when you make the E sound. Are you all doing it? The short A sound can also be heard in the middle of words like the bed, n, pen, n, net. Now, what mistake we do if we open our mouth more than what is needed? Let me tell you what happens. Please do pay attention to this. If we say we open our mouth, but it will become bad and it will not remain a bed anymore. If we open our mouth wider than what is expected, this will become per and a pan. And this will become a word which is not the N80 nat. So please be very careful in how much of your mouth has to be open. But the bed, but no pen, no the net. Is it clear to all of you? As soon as you open your mouth more than what is required, the entire meaning as well as the pronunciation will go incorrect. Is it clear to all of you? Great. So shall we go to the next word now? The next word, I mean to say, the page. Okay. So now all this is clear to you all? Be very careful. So is this a voiced sound or is this a non-voiced sound? Please let's 1 minute. Place your hand on your throat. Your hand should be here as you say and feel the vibration. See, immediately you say and it goes down your throat. So this too is a voiced sound. It's a vowel like a. It is a voice sound. Put your hands on your throat and feel the vibration when you say the word Now, there are many, many words which are with B, and we should be able to say it all. That is, I just said eggplant, which is called brinjal in India, or baigan, right? Let me clear this off for you all, otherwise you all will be confused, right? So what is this? This is a plant, eggplant. See, we are just using the sound of the first letter. And that is, got it? E- Eggplant. Should we move forward? Keep repeating, because practice is the only thing which will keep us correct, right? Otherwise, we'll go wrong. Egg, egg. If we say too loudly the words and we open our mouth very wide, it will become ag. Is there any word as ag? Tell me no. So please use the word correctly. And if it is clear till here, you all must tell me that. Clear? Okay. So now egg, then comes the eggplant, and then comes the e- elephant. It's not elephant, it's elephant. Okay. What is an e- elf? It is an imaginary creature, especially in the fairy tales, a small, stunted growth person. That means a creature, not a person actually. And it is, there are good elves and the bad elves, which portray the role very interestingly in fairy tales. Elf, elf. Okay, so the letter E spells the short E sound, because there's just one single E here. Now, as I always tell you all, dear children, there are 4 pages for your writing. You can practice the uppercase as well as the lowercase. Okay, so now